Copyright is a form of intellectual property. It protects the things that make life enjoyable, things like literary, artistic, musical and dramatic works, sound recordings, films, broadcasts and published editions. Copyright gives the creators of these materials a bundle of rights so that they can benefit from the toil of their mind and be encouraged to keep on creating. This bundle includes the right to copy, publish, perform, communicate and adapt the work. Unlike other forms of intellectual property, you don't have to do anything to get these rights other than express the work in a tangible medium, such as writing it down or recording it. Multiple layers of copyright can exist in the one item. A movie will be copyright as a film, however, most films also contain copyright dramatic, literary, musical and artistic works. Generally, it is the creator of these works that own the copyright. However, creators can and often do sell their copyright, which is why a large proportion of copyright works belong to publishers, record labels and film studios. The copyright in works which are created as part of a person's employment also belong to their employer. Copyright doesn't last forever. When it expires, the work forms a part of the public domain and anybody is free to use it. In Australia, copyright expires 70 years after the death of the creator, with some exceptions. Up until 2005, it was only 50 years. Therefore, any works where the creator died before 1955 are in the public domain. If you exercise an exclusive right without permission or an exception, then you are infringing copyright. It's like having a picnic in the creator's mind. The Copyright Act details a range of exceptions when you can use copyright material without infringing. These include exceptions for fair dealing, such as for research and study, private use provisions, and educational purposes. The context will determine what provision you can use. There is also an increasing number of works being released under open licenses, such as Creative Commons. Open licenses grant people permission to use works in certain ways without needing to ask. If a work doesn't have an open license and no exceptions allow for the use, then you need to ask the copyright owner for permission. They may say no, they may say yes, and they may ask for money. This is the right of the copyright owner.